Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jeevan Jyoti Biswal, and we just started a series that is nothing but Java with DSA. Okay, we just completed some topics. Today, our topic is nothing but quick sort, and it is something one of the best sorting algorithm until unless we heard about the sorting algorithm we just read right now. Okay, let's. What is the quick sort? We have to solve this one. Okay, we already know about something binary search. Binary search we are doing with means we are going to half of the array, and we are going to check whether that element, whatever the element we want to find, if that element is the greater or smaller that element, something that algorithm we are using by using the binary search concept. Okay, something not exactly same concept, but something like to the same concept we are going to be here, we are going to be covered in the quick start. Okay, let's here it is my array. Let's the element as 2, 5, 0 and 1 and 4. Okay, these are my elements. What I have to do? Okay, something I have means just like our nothing but our binary search algorithm, we are going to see something similar algorithm here for the quick sort algorithm. Okay, quick sort algorithm we are going to do something like that only, means whatever the element we have, okay, we are going to check what is the middle of the array. It is nothing but my middle of the array. Okay, let's consider it is my pivot element. Pivot. It is my pivot element. Okay, I am going to do means what I am going to started a I value indicating the first position, and I am going to declare a j value is nothing but it is going to indicating my last value. Okay, and I am going to check is this value is greater or smaller, or this value is greater or smaller with this value. Okay, means my motto is my resultant rs should be something this na, means here it will be 5. Okay, I have to going to check whether whatever the element present in the j value I value, it is going to be greater or small, or j value is greater or small, something like that only. Okay, here my resultant rs should be something like that only. Okay, 5 to here will be 1 and it will be 0. Okay, something that is my resultant array after sorting. Okay, for this we need a pivot element. Pivot element is nothing but middle of the element. How to find pivot element we know. Okay, here we are going to indicating starting at I and ending at j. Okay, starting and ending at I and j. Okay, we are going to do something like that only. Okay, let's do this problem by passing and by checking whether it is going to be means work or not. Okay, let's see this problem here. See this algorithm for the quick start algorithm. Okay, let's do this problem. Okay, my starting here, for me starting is nothing but what, 0. My ending is nothing but my n minus 1. N is what, array dot length minus 1. Array dot length minus 1. It is my ending. Okay, it is starting and it is my ending. Okay, this is something starting and ending. For this I am going to something, this algorithm I am going to do. Okay, means whatever the element present inside this element, this pivot element, it should be, if should be less than this number. If it will be less than this number, it is going to be swapped. If it will be greater than this number, okay, it is greater than j value, it should be swapped. That is my logic. Let's see this logic by writing our code. Okay, I am going to make a method. Let's make a method as sort. Okay, it is nothing but our quick sort method we are going to do. Okay, here we are going to do something, means in previous algorithm, sorting algorithm, we are just passing only one variable, that is nothing but our array. Okay, for this, okay, I can go for a that is nothing but okay, we can do here quick sort. It is going to accept a integer type of array. From this quick shot, okay, we are just going to do, it is nothing but a void type. Okay, we are not returning anything, we are just changing. But here we are just calling a method. Why I am just calling a method? But each method containing a integer type of array, and it will be contain the starting index nothing but 0, and my ending index is nothing but my array dot length minus 1. Okay, I'm just passing, I'm just calling this method. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll just call this method by passing 0. Array means the length of the end and starting index and last index of the array. Okay, we are going to do this logic. Why I am going to call a method inside the method? That is because I want some code reliability or reusability, any kind of thing I can say. Okay, because users should just given only input for a array. He did not think about anything about the algorithm. That's why I'm just making it for a end user perspective or end user point of view. Okay, let's do. It is also a void type, it is not returning anything. We are just make a method, sort method it is accepting a integer type of array, and it is in having some start index s and having some end index e. Why I just do this kind of drama, you will understand better after I will write some code here. Okay, because it is not completed right now, that's why. Okay, okay, first motive is I am going to find the pivot element. Okay, I am to find the pivot element, my array. Inside my array I am going, okay, I just forgot to write the array here. Okay, let me write the array, integer type of array, because I have to track that time I need that array. Okay, this is my array. Okay, I want to do this operation. Okay, here I want to find the middle element. For the middle element I can go for the start plus end by 2. I can do, it is something nothing but something called simple arithmetic operation you are going to do, nothing else. Don't worry about the thing. Okay, we just do here. Here we just find our middle element, means pivot element. Okay, then I am going to declare a int I is nothing but my start element, and int j is nothing but my end element. Here I am doing something. If I is greater than equal to j, at that time I am going to enter this loop, and here I am just doing, since I want to do this work repeatedly, that's why while a r of I, whatever the element present in the I, is less than pivot, I am just asking pivot. Okay, I'm going to check something like that only. If this is going to be true, at that time I am increasing I plus plus. Okay, while array of j is greater than pivot, at that time I am going to decreasing j, because my j is nothing but the last value, that's why. Okay, I just make this in. After that I have to check here, if my I value is less than or equal to j value, at that time I am going to do something operation, nothing but, because I already told you that if my value is going to be greater or smaller, at that time only I want to swap. But I am not want to swap only one. Okay, I want to swap all thing, if it will be the whatever the condition is provided, it will be true. Okay, that's why here I am going to do something. Int t is nothing but temporary variable is equal to array of I sorry, array of I, and array of j is equal to array of I is equal to array of j, and array of j is equal to temporary variable t. Okay, after that I want to do some operation. Okay, let me decrease some size. Okay, this is fine. Okay, at that time, okay, but after my operation will be done, at that time I will make I plus plus and my j minus minus. Okay, but I don't want to means what is the drama, what is the need of this method, and what is the need of this kind of condition here. Okay, what is the more main motive here? Main motive is here for the first time my pivot element is nothing but one value. Okay, my pivot element is nothing but my one value, and my I started with 0, and my j is nothing but n. Here n is equal to 4. Okay, here j value is 4. I is greater than I is less than equal to j, this condition is true. For the first time it will be checked array of I less than pivot element. For the array of I 2 is less than pivot element, condition is false. It is going to check the next condition whether my array of means for the first time I value is equal to 0. Okay, the first condition is false, that's why it is going to be checked for the next condition. While array of j is greater than pivot element, array of j is greater than pivot element, yes, 11 is greater than pivot element. For that time the j value, okay, the j value will be decreases. First time 4, it will be 3 right now. Okay, first time 4, it is decreases by 4 by 1. Then it will be going for this condition. If I is less than equal to j, yes, the condition is true, I is less than equal to j, array int t is equal to temporary variable I am going to store. Okay, temporary variable. Okay, once again I am declaring my temporary variable. My temporary variable for the first time array of I, it is nothing but 2. Here I am just swapped. What I am going to do here? Here I am doing something, means making array of I. For the array of I am making what? Array of j, and my array of j is nothing but my temporary variable. Okay, I am making my temporary variable. For the first time my temporary variable is nothing but what? Temporary variable is 2. Okay, for the array of I is array of j, means what about the array will be look like for the after this first condition? 11, here 23. Okay, here it will be 1, it will be 0, and it will be 2 for the first time. Okay, for means after this it will be going to be I plus plus and j minus minus. I plus plus here it will be going to, it will be 1, and j minus minus, j is going to be nothing but our 2 will be here. Okay, after that it is going to check this condition again. If my array of I, what about the value of I here? Now my I value is 1, is get less than equal to j, yes, because j value is 2 right now. Okay, here my j value is nothing but 2 right now. Okay, here it is going to be condition checked whether my array of I is less than pivot, means what? For the here it is going to check, mean what is my array of I here? My array of I is 11. 11 is less than pivot. No, actually answer is wrong, because pivot element is 1, so that's why it is not going to be executed. For the second condition, my array of j is greater than pivot. Now here my array of j is nothing but 2. Yes, if the condition is true, it is going to be checked whether array of I less than equal to j. Here for the j is nothing but here what? My j is here 2 value. Okay, because array value is increases here. Now my I value is here, relaying is here. Okay, now my I value is here, and my j value is pointing the pivot element. Okay, here's my j value, it is my I value here. Okay, This condition is going to be checked. Okay, what exactly do here? Means it is going to be checked whether my array of I is less than pivot. Whether my array of I is nothing but 23. 23 is less than pivot. 23 is greater than 1 exactly. No, wrong. Then it is going to be checked whether my array of j is greater than pivot. Whether my array of j here, what is my j value? 1 is greater than pivot. Answer will be first because 1 is not greater than is or less than the 1. It is equal. Okay, here it is going to be checked. Not any value is going to change here. Okay, now my I value is 1 and j value is 2. Here the value is changed here. Here is the resultant array for the next time. It will be 20 here, 1 will be here, and it will be 23 will be here. Here 0 will be here, and it will be 2 here. This is my the next resultant value. Okay, it will be going up to this thing, but after the all of the execution, yeah, okay, now my I plus plus will be done. I is my 2 and j value will be 1. Okay, now for the condition is false, but still now my whatever the value, whatever the array, it is sorted. No, not my array is not sorted till right now. That's why I am going to call this method again. Okay, how to call this method by again? We can go for the nothing called as just we can go for something recursion. We already discussed that concept we are going to do here. Okay, that's why after this all the drama, why I do this all the drama, because I want to do some recursion here. But why I have to do some recursion, that's why I just written this kind of thing. 1 second. Okay, after that I am here calling the sort method by passing my array. After my passing my array, I am passing my start value and I am passing my j value. Okay, again I am going to passing my array here. Start value I am passing I and end value is I am passing. Okay, but we already know if we are going to do any recursion, we have to put some condition where it will be end. Here I am passing if my start value is greater than or equal to end, at that time I want to return. Now for the first time it is going to be something like that only. Okay, now for this means the condition is false, that's why it is going to be for the next time for the it is going to be calling this method again by using recursion. Okay, for the array is something like that, this array it is going to be passed. Okay, and my start value is 0 here. Okay, my start value will be 0 here, and j value, what about the j value here? My j value will be first 1. Here my pivot will be 0 plus 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, for it will be 0. Okay, means it is going to be indicating this element. This will be pivot for the first time. Okay, and it will be going to be check. Okay, it will be sorted up to some value. Okay, after that condition it will be sorted by you by this method. Okay, after all of the drama it will be my resultant array will be something like this only. Whatever the all of the drama will be done, all the drama after doing this condition checking. Okay, my resultant array will be 0 1 2, here 11, and here will be 23. Okay, you can track this program. Okay, it will be easiest one, nothing else. Okay, you can track this problem, it will be easy. Okay, let's do this program by using the online compiler here. We are using Programize for the online compiler, Programize Java compiler here. Okay, okay, let me make a for loop. I want to print I plus plus. I'm going to do. Okay, array dot length here. Okay, let me copy this. Got it. Okay, Control V. Here I'm passing array of I. I know I am not declaring here array. I am going to declare plus space here. Let me create a integer type of array. Okay, just let me copy. Control C, Control V. I'm just making a array here. Control E here. I'm going to make a public static void quicksort method where I am going to pass the method with the two parameter, something starting index and last index. Okay, here I am going to do copy this and I am going to paste here public static. Here I'm just pasting here. 1 second, I have to put some spaces. Okay, I just okay, my method and also done. Okay, okay, sorry, here I am going to do some recursion. Okay, okay, 1 second. Okay, done. Let's call this method by passing the array. Control V. We are going to pass the array. Let's run this program. Okay, some compilation error. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I understand what has a compilation error. Okay, anything else? Public static void main. Okay, let's see. Still a compilation error are getting. Public static void quick sort. There is something accepted. What is accepted? Okay. Okay, 1 second. Let me debugging this code. If anything error, it will be okay. File loop. It is rendered here. Okay, okay, I understand. Okay, I just mistakenly do this. Okay, let's run this program here. Integer type of array. Okay, yeah, it is fine. Whatever the mistake done by me, also I just make this what kind of so I just debug these errors. Okay, this is nothing but our quick shot algorithm. We just see this quick shot algorithm. Okay, if you want to whatever the error done by here, we can do here. Okay, let's me do one thing. Okay, I'm just copying here and I am going to make another page here. Here I am just pasting all the code. Okay, Control A, Control V. Okay, let me do okay. And after that I am going to copy this Here I am pasting. Okay, we can you can just see this code, and by tracking this code you will be understand more about this. Okay, this is nothing but our quick shot algorithm, and this is nothing but the quick shot we are doing with by using this Java language here. Okay, you can do, and you will be, it will be something easy algorithm, nothing else. Okay, nothing big thing is here. Okay, you have to just track this code. After tracking this code, it will be better understand for you. Okay, this is all about nothing but our quick shot. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more update.